Meron akong back tax na kailangan kong bayaran, hindi ko mabayaran kasi parang pambibili lang naman nila ng luxury goods. Pambabiyahe lang naman nila. Parang hindi ako mapikon kasi nakakapikon, di ba? At the end of the day, and you have this flood control projects and you see all your fellow men having a hard time trying to, get by na.
Bilang isa sa mga talaga tinitingala icons of this industry, what's your reaction to the ongoing, of course, circus that's happening?
Okay, so
in politics?
well, I was with my friends yesterday. So sabi ko, I had to catch up on the news because I'm so busy with work and I don't want to be sidetracked because kailangan ko mag-focus sa ginagawa ko. May tinatapos akong pelikula, ang dami kong ginagawa. Kung pakikinggan ko pa yung news, pag nanoorin ko pa yung news, baka hindi ako makapag-concentrate. But of course, I had to catch up because as a citizen, it's my job to be in the know. It's my job to know what's happening, not just to be updated, but to also be in touch with what's happening with your nation because you're a citizen, And then, dito nangyayari yung patriotism. So I want to be aware, but you cannot point fingers right now. But I've been praying about it. Sana mapanagot talaga yung kailangan managot para naman magkaroon ng konting rest, para magkaroon naman tayo ng confidence sa gobyerno natin at sa bansa natin because this is not about anyone anymore. This is about the Philippines. So sana lang magkaroon tayo ng, yun lang, awareness na, we can be apolitical, we can be apathetic, but at the end of the day, you have to do what you have to do as a citizen, as part of this nation. And I think, from my end, hindi kasi ako opinionated na tao, hindi ako nakikialam sa ganyan, it's not my turf. Pero, push comes to shove, gagawin mo talaga yung kailangan mo gawin para maprotektahan yung bansa mo, hindi yung gobyerno, kundi yung bansa mo at ang pamilya mo at ang paligid mo.
Okay, about you're one of the highest taxpayers.
Oo.
Kaya nga napakasakit. Meron akong back tax na kailangan kong bayaran, hindi ko mabayaran kasi parang pambibili lang naman nila ng luxury goods. Pambabiyahe lang naman. Joke.
Tax refund ba? Tax
Wala
refund?
nga tayong tax refund pero wala. You have to abide, especially you're in the business. Pwede kang pagdiskitahan o pwede kang i-audit. Kaya nga kami talaga ever since, especially sa showbiz, black and white. Kasi nakaharap ka tapos taxpayer ka pa. So no matter what happens, hindi ko na lang iniisip kasi pag iniisip mo pa kung saan napupunta yung binabayad mong tax.
Sinisilip mo ba magkano?
Yun.
Yung saktong pagkunwari ngayong buwan, oh my God, yun ang
Yung lagi ko
kaltas.
naiisip, sabi ko bakit? Tapos hindi mo naman nakikita yung nangyayari. Kaya I'm trying to not think about ako mapikon kasi nakakapikon, di ba? At the end of the day, and you have this flood control projects and you see all your fellow men having a hard time trying to, get nababaha this and that. Sana magkaroon ng konsensya yung mga taong involved kasi nakakahiya tayo. Sana makonsensya sila. Kasi yung pera, sa kabadadalin ng pera mo, sana yung sapat na. Wag mo nang nakawan yung mga taong naghihirap na nga. Hayaan mo pa maghirap pala. Magkaroon tayo ng konsensya, yun na lang pwede ko sabihin.